Given these simultaneous equations, find the value of x and y. The best way to solve this is to express x in terms of y. So we are going to take the first equation, this one. So we have x minus 4y is equals to negative 5. So we are going to take the negative 4y to the other side. On the left hand side, we are left with x. Excuse me. X is equals to, when the negative 4y comes to the right side, it becomes positive 4y. So that's 4y, and then we have the minus 5. So now we have x in terms of y. Then we will now replace this value of x in the second equation. So let's take this second equation and bring it here. So this is going to be negative x plus 2y is equals to 1. But then remember that this is our value of x in terms of y. So negative, but then what is x? X is 4y minus 5, and then we still have the plus 2y is equals to 1. Then we expand this, so this becomes negative 4y, and then minus 5 becomes plus 5, then plus 2y is equals to 1. So let's collect the like terms together. So here we have negative 4y, then we have the 2y, then let's take this 5 to the right hand side. So we have 1, and then when the 5 goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 5. So on the left hand side now we have negative 4y plus 2y. So that is the same as negative 2y. This is equals to, then 1 minus 5, that becomes negative 4. So to get the value of y, let's divide by negative 2 on both sides. So by negative 2, 1, by negative 2, 1. So on the left side, we remain with y is equals to, by negative 2, 1, by negative 2, 2. So the value of y is 2. Then we'll now come back to this equation, and we are going to say x is equals to 4 times our newfound value of y, which is 2, and then minus 5. So this is 4 times 2, 8, minus 5. So this means that the value of x is 3. So the answer for this question is x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. That's the answer.